Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good evening. In tonight's vlog, I don't, I don't want to talk about my daily activities. I just want to take a moment to reflect about two simple but very meaningful things. Is gratitude and sincerity are ikhlas in Islam. Sometimes we're too focused on chasing the things we don't have that we forget to appreciate the blessing we already do. Waking up in the morning, still breathing, having people who care about us, being able to eat, to learn, to smile. These are things we often take for granted. But not everyone gets the same change as we do today. Gratitude doesn't mean our life is perfect. It means we learn to see the beauty in what we already have. Guys, whenever you feel tired, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and say in your heart, say is Alhamdulillah, I'm still able to keep going today. And then there's sincerity. It's not something easy to do. Sometimes we do things hoping for praise, recognition, or reward. But as we grow, we realize that true happiness comes when we do something purely for Allah, not for people. Uh, Sincerity is sweet but powerful. And you might not get recognition, but your heart will feel peaceful, and that peace is worth more than anything else. So, guys, in tonight, before we go to sleep, let's try to rest our hearts, forgive ourselves, and be thankful for everything that happened today. Maybe not everything when they why we wanted, but believe me, everything happens for a beautiful reason at the right time. Okay? Thank you so much for watching in this vlog. Let's keep learning to be more grateful and sincere in everything we do. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone.